Good evening. My Life in the Future by Luis Cortez. Why don't extreme sports scare you? I won't practice extreme sports because they don't give me security. What gym would you like to go to? I'm going to start gym. What matter the grade will you complete as soon as you finish your degree? I'm going to study supply chain management. Why don't you like cooking? Well, I think I will not cooking because it's not something that I like. What city in the United States would you like to visit? I'm going to travel to New York in the new few years. What neighborhood would you like to live in? I don't know, but I'm going to think about living in a town like La Calera. Thank you.